Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you. It's time for our chart of the week, and this week we're going to be profiling Google, or also known as Alphabet. And this good-looking chart, we'll go ahead and mark this one up as we go along here. We can see from October low, the stock has made a nice series of higher lows. It's also made a series of lower highs, and we can see from over here, it seems to be breaking out in a nice positive way over here. We can sort of see the semblance of a W, kind of a sloppy W pattern over here, which we know is W tends to be a positive development as well. And let's go and mark that up over here so you can see that. We've had some pretty decent turnover, but of course the big volume we saw came in as the stock was selling off in early February. Right after the earnings came out, this thing just fell from about the highs of a little over $800, well over $100 in about 6 or 7 sessions as the markets were correcting. It hit its bottom around the beginning of February. It's been making higher lows, as we said, as we go along here. But what's interesting here to note is that the MACD has just turned on a buy signal over here for the first time in several weeks. And we have a crossover to the upside and a confirmation on the MACD histogram. Also, as we take a look at the momentum indicators here on the bottom, we have a series of higher lows as well too. Change the color on that one. This thing, it's got some resistance right over here, but if this gets over the 50 level on the Williams %R, we do have some upside to get to an overbought reading. Relative strength has been pretty solid over here, but we do have some resistance coming up, as we noted, around this 750 and change level. I did do a profile of the FANG stock with Jim Cramer back in the early part of March, and we did say that 750 was probably a good target from where it was at the time, which was around 710 or 715. So it's gone up quite nicely, about 5% or so, and we're up at that 750 level right now. But I do think that Google has some more upside to work to do here. If it gets past this trend line over here that we drew in and above 760 or so, we could certainly be headed back to the old all-time highs. I do like the chart of Google. It's been showing some really good flows as well too on the option side. Volume has started to pick up again in the beginning of from the beginning of March, and as that sort of starts to pick up, we see the price action getting better. We should see Google start moving significantly higher. One other notable thing is that we've had some pretty rough days in the markets over the past week and a half, and each down day, especially 3 of the last 4 down days, we've seen Google actually up. So that's pretty significant to note as well too. Good relative strength versus the market. All right, that's Google, or also known as Alphabet, and we're pretty bullish on it. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.